okwatire ekibine kya NRM bendera yasiba rukweyonjera mu kushorera obuhagizi kandi ekiro ky'eizooba yasiba mu district ya Ngora hamwe na Kumi aho abantu aba mu bicweka ebi bamwereka rukundo ey'amaani. Abantu abo mu bicweka ebi bashoborera omwebembezi w'ihanga aha bimwe aha bintu ebarikwenda okubakorera baba bahereze okumushagika.
Your Excellency, allow me humbly present a few requests from your people of Ngora, sir. To begin with, establishment of the government-aided technical school in Ngora district, sir. Number 2, upgrade of Ngora Health Center 4 to a district hospital, sir.
Person ow'ekibine kya NRM omurteso sub-region Carven Echwedu David yashoborangu district ya Ngora ekaba eriyo ekibine kya FDC nkonko bwa hati bakabaasa okurebeka ngu bajegaruriza ab'ekibina ekya NRM.
NRM leadership in Ngora has been unique in a way that they are the first in Teso to initiate the idea of having their own office. They have worked hard to turn Ngora from an FDC stronghold to now fully NRM.
Ora speaker ow'ishengero ry'ihanga omurundo gundi omuhwezi wa chairman omukazi ow'ihanga ryona ahabwe ekibine kya NRM yayebaza ori omwebembezi w'ihanga ahabwe kubaasa kugarraho egari y'omwika eri kuruga Tororo ekaza gguru ekyari kugira ngu nikije kuyambaho abantu ab'Angora omu ntunguuka.
Your Excellency, the standard gauge railway that you have fully funded and being constructed, that is the road from Tororo to Gulu. The standard gauge railway passes Ngora, and the people of Ngora are bound to benefit.
Ogu yashaba abanya-Uganda okwehara okuterera abantu akaruru k'esente ekyari kugira ngu bine okuterera omuntu akaruru ahabwe ebintu ebyabakorire abantu abo mu kyanga eki.
Some people come and give you some little money for 5 years, 2,000 shillings. What sort of that you should support them because they have given you some money. How much money? 2,000 in 5 years. NRM is showing you how to get out of poverty.
Omwebembezi w'ihanga yaraganisa okukorera abantu aba mu bicweka ebi amezi ga Rwechunda kuruga aha nyanja ya Kyoga okubaasa okugajanjaza omu bicweka byona ebya Teso sub-region okubaasa okumaraho ibura ry'amaizi omu bicweka ebi.
And then construction of the Lake Kyoga multi-purpose gravity flow scheme serving the districts of Serere, Ngora, Kumi and Bukedea. Here we are going to pump water from the lake. From Lake Kyoga. Pump it to a high elevation.
Mwebembezi w'ihanga izooba rya nyenkyakare naija kuhendera okushorera obuhagizi omu bicweka bya Teso arikumariza na district ya Bukedea na bwanyuma omwabazyo atandika district eya Sironko hamwe na Bugisu.